Hi there, students. Seen better days. To have seen better days. This is a very British euphemism to say that something's worn out. It's old and tired. So, the flat had seen better days. The sofa had seen better days. My car has seen better days. Notice we can use it in two different ways. Mostly we use it to say that something's old and tired, but you can still use it. It's still got some use left in it. But you can also use this phrase to mean something's totally knackered and there's nothing you're going to be able to do with it. Okay, so old and in bad condition. That jacket you're wearing has seen better days. Yeah. The chair that I like to use had seen better days. Okay, so if something's seen better days, it's rather old, it's rather tired, and maybe you should replace it. Yeah. He gave me a copy of the book that I'd wanted to read. The book had certainly been seen better days, but it was still readable. Okay, so something that's shabby, it's ill kept, it's in poor condition. Yeah, you could even use this about a person. You look like you've seen better days. You look exhausted. You look worn out. Or the old man looked like he'd seen better days. He didn't seem very well. Yeah. Something that's in a worse state than before. It's become worn out. It's uh is declined. So the economy had seen better days. Um, Apparently this was first used by Shakespeare to describe a decline in fortune. Okay. Flavius says to his servants, let's shake our head and say, as it were a knell to our master's fortunes, we have seen better days. So things have been better. So this phrase has been around for a long time. Notice you can also say known better days, and this we nearly always use in the present perfect. Okay, so yeah, the district had seen better days. Okay, yeah, that I've used it in the past perfect, but had seen better days. Yeah, okay, things were better in the past. The machine had seen better days, but it still worked. Okay, so this is has seen better days. I would say this is fairly informal nowadays. I think I'd give it a 4 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation. Use it in a semi-formal conversation. Yeah, it's a polite way to say something's old, tired, and not in very good condition. It's rather tatty. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Seen better days.